guys, today is October the 20th and I decided that I am going to decorate the front entrance to my house for Halloween. I am not a super fanatic of Halloween decorating, but I do like to put a little bit of decorating here and there so that when the kids come to pick up their candy, it's just a little spooky. Anyway, so like I said, I don't go overboard, and the front of my entrance of the house is kind of small. So I'm going to do that today. It'll be a quick video. I'm gonna show you how it came out. I did install a purple bulb, and just to give it more of an effect. And I'm gonna link a couple of videos below in the description of some of the things that I used to decorate, which I did last year in several DIYs, in case you're interested in that. But first and foremost, I wanna welcome all of you to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. I have 3 names that subscribe to my channel. I think there was a few more, but I didn't get those names. So I want to welcome Movies, Music, and TV, Crafting with Isabel, and Elizabeth Shaw. Thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to my channel. I'm very happy that you enjoy my videos. And so first I'm going to show you a few of the things I'm going to use to decorate, and then I'm going to show you a little bit while I'm doing it. Then I'm going to show you how it turned out during the day and then at night. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick video, and I hope to see you in my next one, which will probably be maybe a Christmas craft. So I will see you soon. Hasta luego. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, and here are the things that I am going to use to decorate my front porch. Like I said, it's a rather small porch. Most of these things I bought at Dollar Tree, except this picture right here. I can't wait till you guys see it on, and it was only like $20 at Home Depot a few years back. I love this thing. Anyway, so here is the wreath that I made just a couple of weeks ago. And so these are all the things I'm going to use, and let's go and let's get started. So I had my front porch decorated for fall. I think I showed you that in another video, and I am going to remove everything that I have in there. I'm gonna sweep up the front a little bit, and then we'll start decorating. Okay, you guys, and that picture that I told you I bought at Home Depot which sits right there. It's motion activated, so as soon as anybody walks in front of it, it sets it off. Or I can just put it on the mode where it's only the lights that go on. So I'm going to show you now what I did here in my small little entrance, and then at night I'll turn on the purple bulb and then I'll show you how it works. See, I just set it up. That jack-o'-lantern right there, you guys, I've had it since my kids were little girls, so I think it's almost like an antique since my daughters are 41 and 44 years old. And here's the basket where I'll be putting the candy in so the kids can pick from there. I made that last year in one of my videos, and I will link it in the description below in case you want to see that as well. And there are the two black cats right at the front entrance of the door with the web. And there is the wreath that I made just the other day. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description below as well. And that little DIY I made last year as well. Here we have another 3 jack-o'-lanterns with the spider, creepy spider. Now let's look at this at night with the purple light on.